Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National and English Version School, Learning Sheet. Dear students, today I am going to take an English class for class 5 students. So today's topic, Unit-4, Lesson 1 to 4 discussions. So my dear students, let's see our today's class 5. Subject English, topic Unit-4, lesson 1 to 4 discussions, Lecture-05, SWB3, term obviously, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's open a book, but before going to the book, let's come to the Unit-4, word and synonym. Let's take a look at the word and synonym. Answer, synonym is reply. Example, synonym is instance, free time, spare time, leisure, rest, pleasure, synonym is amusement, poetry, synonym is poems, reporter, synonym is journalist, business, trade, clothes, this will be clothes, spelling will be clothes, yes, clothes, dress, fashion, work, health, fitness, healthy, fit, interested, curious, sport, game, travel, tool. So memorize the words and synonyms. Let's go to the book, dear students. Open your book, go to Unit-4, page number 14, leisure time. Let's start. Toma and Seema is talking to Biju. Tomal and Seema is talking to Biju. Okay, let's start. Tomal, hi my friend. Nasreen and I are reporters for the English Club magazine. Would you mind answering some questions? So Tomal and Seema is talking to Biju and Nasreen, and Tomal asks very politely, would you mind? We use would you mind when we were politely asking something to anyone. So Seema says, sure, no problem. It's my pleasure. Very good English. It's my pleasure. Okay. Tomal says, could you tell me your name and which class you are in? So we also use could you at the beginning of a sentence to ask politely, to ask something. So Seema says, I'm Seema. I'm in class 5. Tomal says, how do you spend your leisure time, Seema? Seema says, well, I like to work in the park. I also like to sing. My cousin lives in the UK. Sometimes I talk to her and her friends on the internet. Nasrin says, so talking on the internet keeps you connected. Seema says, that's right. Tomal says to Biju, hello, can I ask you the same questions? Biju says, my name's Biju and I'm in class 5. 2. I love swimming. It keeps me fit. I also like painting. I'm not very good, but painting makes me happy. Tomal says, what about reading? Do either of you like reading? Biju says, I do. I often read magazines in my free time. I like magazines about sports, especially football and cricket. Seema says, oh, I like to read too. I love reading funny stories, especially stories of Nasiruddin Hoja. So that is all today's lecture, my dear students. So your SWB, SW3, Unit 4, Exercise B. So my dear students, this is your unit pair group, ask and answer the question. This is your SW, there are 7 questions. Okay, exercise B. So SW will be SW3, Unit 4, exercise B. So that's all for my dear students. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. I will be your hands. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.